Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Ayaz Tech. In today's tutorial, we will be discussing the fundamental concept in Angular, how to pass data from parent component to child component. This interaction is key to creating modular, maintainable and reusable components within Angular. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we will create a new Angular project if you have not got one already. I have used Angular CLI to generate my new Angular project that is currently running in the browser. So it is the default content being shown. If you want to generate a new project, you have to run this command ng new and project name. It can be any name, whatever you prefer, it does not matter. And once project is created, you have to navigate to that project by using cd and project name. We will generate two components, parent and child, using these commands ng generate component parent and ng generate component child. Press enter. This will generate two folders along with their files in the app directory, as you can see on the left side. Now that we have the components, let's write some data in the parent component that we will pass to the child. So first of all, declare a variable parent message is equal to, and then give it a default string hello from parent. Save it. Now let's include the child component in the parent's template. We also need to bind parent message to the property in the child component. So for now, let's call this property message and we will give it the parent message property that we just defined. This message property will be declared in the child component. So open the child component.ts. So in this child component, we will have to import input from Angular core like this, so that we could be able to receive data, and then declare message, give it type string, give it default value. Alright. Finally, let's display this message in child.component.ts file. So let me write a heading, and below I will add a paragraph, and in that I will display the message that is coming from the parent. Now let's run this project in the browser. If you did not run this project yet, then just type this command ng-serve -o, and that's it. You have successfully passed data from parent to child component. When you run your application using this ng-serve command, you should be able to see the message hello from parent displayed in the browser, but it is still not being visible because we did not add the parent component in the app.html. So let's remove all of the content from app.component and add the app-parent and save it. Now you will see that parent component, child component is visible, but the data in the child component is still not visible, that is being passed from the parent. For that, we did not save the parent component HTML. If you save it, then it will start working. You can see now we are sending the data and it is being visible. Alright, I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Angular tutorials. In the next video, we will talk further about Angular topics. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.